What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to lock apps in here on your iPhone device. Quite an easy process. I'm going to show you two different methods or two different ways on how you can lock apps on your phone so you can actually prevent people from accessing apps you do not wish them to access. For example, you may be having a lot of private information here on your phone and sensitive data at the office or anything like that. Do not worry, I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. My name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related content, and I also share a lot of tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing so you do not miss my next video. So the very first method in here is actually using the basic settings on your phone. For example, let's say that I wish to lock this app right here. I'm gonna press and hold on it, and then I'm gonna tap here on require Face ID and then require Face ID. Boom, there we go. Once I tap on it, it's gonna ask me for my Face ID to access that app. I'm gonna position my Face ID and I've unlocked the app. This is the very basic method. Apple actually listened to a lot of Apple users, so they actually suggested Apple to create officially a way to lock apps. Previously, we didn't have an official way of locking apps. We had to create manually a shortcut that would always lock that specific app. Now, this is the most easy and improved way on how to unlock or how to lock apps, but I'm gonna show you also the old method that we used to use previously. You can use the one you prefer. So previously, let me quickly just unlock this app. For example, don't require Face ID. This is how you unlock it, okay? So I already showed you how to unlock and how to lock, okay? So you do not get lost. Now, in order to go with the second method, you need to download an app known as Shortcuts. Usually this app comes in built-in installed in your iPhone device, okay? But just in case you are in a situation where you do not have it installed, just double check and download it here because this could be deleted. Now just open up Shortcuts here real quick. There we go. And once you open up Shortcuts, you want to simply create a new shortcut. And this shortcut will be lock screen. So you want to search for lock screen, tap once on it, and then simply ensure that this is created. Go back and you'll be able to see lock screen in here within Shortcuts. Good to go. Next up, you want to tap here in automation, okay? So once you tap in automation, you're going to create a new automation by tapping here on new automation. Now in here within automation, the next thing we want to search for is app, okay? I'm going to tap in here app, okay? Because I want the app to be locked. So we've created actually a shortcut which will lock whenever you open an app. So you want to tap in here on app, and then you want to choose the app that you wish to lock. In my case, it's going to be, for example, the same one, which is budget tracker. Okay, I'm unable to find it in here, but okay, I'm going to lock, for example, okay, it's money manager. It's not budget tracker, so I'm gonna search for money manager. Here we go, same app. Tap on OK, and then you want to ensure that it's ticked here, this option which says is opened, and then down here you do have two options, run after confirmation and run immediately. You want to select the second one which says run immediately. Next up, simply tap on next and you're good to go. Now here we go. When money manager is open, what do you want your phone to do? I want it to lock my screen, which is the shortcut that we've already created. Now here we go, we're good to go. Let's tap once on it, okay? And then I'm gonna simply tap in here on done. There we go, we're good to go. Let me close, open money manager. There we go, app has been locked and you're unable to use it unless you type in your passcode or Face ID. Let me do it one more time. There we go, money manager, phone is locked, unlock it. You need to type in the passcode or position your Face ID in here in order to unlock that specific app. So these are the two methods you can use to lock apps in here, and this works pretty much with any app. You can use WhatsApp, you can use a lot more apps. Now, if you wish to hide photos or lock photos, just as bonus here, we do have the regular way of hiding photos, okay? So I can, for example, go all the way to this photo and simply tap here, and then on these three dots, tap on hide, okay? This will hide that photo, and in order for me to access that photo, I need to type in a passcode or position my Face ID. Now, let me scroll down all the way down in here. We have utilities, we have hidden. So here within hidden, when we tap on on View Album, I'll be able to unlock all hidden photos. So this is how you access the hidden photos. Now you may be asking me, hey, this is so obvious. We have hidden here. This definitely lets somebody know that you do have a section in there where you're hiding photos. So let's say that if you want to take things to the next level, you can also hide this specific section. And that's the cool part if your case is related to hiding photos or locking photos. So you can close gallery or photos, hop into settings, scroll down all the way down, tap on apps, scroll down again all the way to photos. Okay, so hop into photos, scroll down, and then you'll be able to see an option here which says show hidden album. So if you disable this, boom, once you open photos, you won't be able to see hidden anymore in here, and only you will know where exactly is that specific option to allow hidden photos album. So whenever you want to double check it, hop into settings, same place, turn on hidden photos, go back to photos, tap on hidden, and then view album, and you'll be able to access those specific files or folders. And that's just a pro max way on how you can hide and lock stuff here on your iPhone device. I just talked about photos because photos is one of the apps which is most locked here by Apple users. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section down below if you have any questions so we can discuss further. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.